In this video, I'm going to be teaching you an incredible self-walking card trick which will impress anyone and can also fool magicians. Hey, I'm Captain Card Magician and welcome to this video. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it and it really helps me out. Without further talking, let's get straight into the video. So this is what the trick looks like. So first, I'm going to have my spectator shuffle the deck till they're satisfied. Let's say the spectator gives the cards a full shuffle, some cuts, and an overhand shuffle. And once the spectator is done shuffling the deck, I'm going to ask for the deck back and divide the cards into two equal piles. Just like that. Once that is done, what I'm going to do is have my spectator point to any one of these piles. Let's say my spectator points to this pile right over here. And now what I'm going to do is have my spectator cut the deck. So let's say my spectator cuts the deck over here. And we're just going to place it aside for now. And now I'm going to have my spectator shuffle this pile just like that. Give it a good mix, and once give it a shuffle, I'm just going to spread through and have the spectator pick out any card they like. So let's say it's this card right over here, the Jack of Clubs. And we're just going to shuffle it inside the center of the deck. Just like that. And we're going to place these cards on top of these, just like that. So now your card is somewhere lost inside this deck. And to make it even random, we are just going to take one card from the top and one card from the bottom and shuffle these cards in this weird way. Just to make sure that I have no idea where your card is. And just like that. And once that is done, we're going to come back to this pile and let the spectator freely cut and count how many cards are there in this pile. So let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. The spectator cut 11 cards from this pile. Now, how impossible would it be if the 11th card would be the spectator selection, the Jack of Clubs? Let's count 11 cards. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the 11th card is spectator selection, the Jack of Clubs. So that's the card trick, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed. Now let's get into the tutorial. Now here is how you can do this trick. And for this trick to work, you need a deck of 52 playing cards. But I think that any even number will do, but I like to keep 52 cards in this deck and remove the jokers. Once you have a deck with 52 playing cards, you're good to go. Now let's learn how to do this card trick. So first, you're going to have your spectator shuffle the deck however they like and shuffle it till they're satisfied, so they can give the cards riffle shuffles, some overhand shuffles, some cuts. And once they are satisfied with the shuffles, you ask for the deck back and you're going to divide this deck into two equal piles. Now you can just divide the deck into two equal parts like this, and I think this is equal. So that's 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yep, that's exactly equal, but you've got to practice it, that you have to divide the deck into two equal parts without counting it. But if you're not sure with it, you can go ahead and do what I did in the performance. And I did the counting thing in the performance to make it easy for the beginners. So you can divide the deck into two equal parts by counting like this, or you can, if you are 100% sure that it's half, you can just divide the cards like this. So let's divide the cards, and you can even do like 2 at a time or 3 at a time. It doesn't matter. Let's do 4 now. Just like that. And once the cards are divided into two equal parts, what you're going to do is have the spectator point to any one of these piles. So let's say my spectator points to this pile right over here. You ask them to cut this pile wherever they like. So they can just go ahead and cut it, let's say right over here. You're going to take the pile and put it away for now. Just like that. And now you're going to take the other pile and ask the spectator to give this pile a shuffle as well. So they go ahead and shuffle this pile just like that, and once they hand it back to you, what you're going to do is spread out these cards and have the spectator pick one. So let's say my spectator picks this card right over here. you show them the card, the 10 of diamonds in this case. And right now you can show the card to the spectator, or you can look at it as well, it doesn't matter. Let's say the 10 of diamonds. And now this is the only slide in this entire routine, and I won't even call it a slide because all you have to do is just control their selection to the bottom, and it's a very simple way of doing this. You just take the top card and just shuffle the rest of them on top, just like that, controlling the card on the bottom. But you have to do this fast because you don't want the spectator to notice that you just took one card and shuffled the rest on top. So what I do is 10 of diamonds, place it over here, and I just quickly give the card some shuffles, controlling their selection on the bottom. And then once I've done that, what I like to do is give it one more shuffle by pulling the top and bottom cards at the same time and then shuffling on top, just like that. I still have it controlled, and once the card is controlled in the bottom, I'm just going to keep this packet on top of the other packet, and now we're good. And at this point, this is the most important step in this entire routine, which is counting of the cards, just like that, one from the top, one from the bottom. So you say that just to make the process even more random, so that you are completely satisfied that I have no idea where your card is, you're going to do this weird shuffle. And you can even let the spectator do this if you're sure that the spectator will be able to do this, because if the spectator do this process wrong, the entire trick is going to get messed up. So take one card from the top, one card from the bottom, put it on the table just like that. And just like that. And now once you have done that, the next part is completely self-working. You have your spectator count the cards that they cut to, and it was a completely free choice. They count it out, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And now you say, how impossible would it be if the 13th card from this pile is the spectator's selection? We count down the cards. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the 13th card is going to be the spectator's 10 of diamonds. So that's the trick, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed, and I absolutely love this trick. It's self-working and it's not even that hard to do, and it gets you some amazing reactions, and also you can fool magicians with this effect. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed. I always appreciate you taking your time off to watch my videos, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me a lot. Like this video and comment on what you think of this video. And anyways, I'll see you in the next one.